Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oat yogurt at home. First, combine 1 cup of rolled oats with 4 cups of water in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, ensuring no large oat pieces remain. This creates your oat milk base, which is essential for the fermentation process. Strain the mixture through a nut milk bag or fine mesh sieve to separate the liquid from any remaining solids. Next, pour your strained oat milk into a saucepan and heat it gently over medium heat. Stir constantly to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. Bring the temperature up to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius, then remove it from the heat. Let it cool down to around 105 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 40 degrees Celsius. This temperature is crucial for the probiotics to thrive. Once your oat milk has cooled to the correct temperature, it's time to add your starter. Open 1 probiotic capsule and sprinkle its contents into the oat milk, or add 2 tablespoons of a good quality vegan yogurt. Whisk it in thoroughly to ensure the probiotics are evenly distributed. Pour the mixture into clean glass jars, leaving a little headspace, and cover them loosely with lids or a cloth. Now place your jars in a warm spot, ideally between 95 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit, for 8 to 12 hours. A yogurt maker, oven with the light on, or an insulated cooler can work well. The yogurt is ready when it has thickened to your desired consistency and has a pleasant, tangy smell. Once fermented, refrigerate your homemade oat yogurt for up to 5 days. Enjoy your delicious, dairy-free creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.